What's up, y'all? Guess I'll do a little video on this. I'm almost halfway through it. I bought these light strips from Walmart. The Easy Link. And it's a cigarette plug-in, but I just chopped the wire before I thought maybe I should record this. There it is. Yep. And this is the wire that was plugged into that cigarette lighter button for them. Here's the mode selector. I got it stuck on right there, and the wires are going through right here. I've always had this gap right here, man. And I look back here, and you could kind of see. Wait a minute. Down there. You look down there. That piece right there, I'll point an arrow at it. That is moved over a little bit, and I couldn't pop it in, and I was like, well, maybe I don't want it because I want to wire this through there. And this is what the LED strip looks like. Comes with that 3M backing, you know, they all come with. And they recommended, you know, to have a hair dryer out here. So I got a hair dryer over there on the table. But yeah, I got this strip down here already. And you can see up here where I have it plugged in, it started drooping. And I'm like, oh gee, great. Just what I expected from this sticky tape kind of stuff. Started drooping, and that's why I ended up going like this route. So the wire's like hanging up here and supporting the part that's drooping, so the rest of it will never fall down. But other than that, this stuff's pretty straightforward. You can see the second wire for the second strip. I just have it coming back here, and it's tucked back there, and it goes down because you can see right here. Just look around, y'all. You can see right straight down there, and it's right here somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. So I'm gonna have my other strip real close too. And this is gonna be the power. The power is straightforward, and I like it because it's this plug-in, and this plug-in goes to the cigarette lighter. And as you can see, when you cut it open, there's a power and ground. So I'm just gonna connect that power to my yellow 12 volt with that guy, and then I'm just gonna ground into probably my radio ground, honestly. And after I do it, I'll show you guys. Yeah, when I stripped this guy, it was a 10 wire size. And then I used a lighter to heat this up, and then I just pinched it and pulled. Dang, y'all, I forgot to record. I started throwing my radio in because I'm already done. Here's how it looks on this side. You can see that, and it connects right there. There's all this glue that was up there that I chipped off. I told you I was going to connect to my power and my ground, so I use these connectors once again. These are like my go-to right now, so I don't got to splice anything. They're worth it, but even with the tiny ones, when you close them, I had to open the ground one more time to get the rubber out the way and make sure the wire was touching the metal, so I had a good ground. And once I had a good ground, bang! Look at it. And this is daytime, yo. It's looking pretty bright. And this side's on too. The door is just wide open. But I set it up to look. I don't even have my key in. I had it connected to my yellow wire, connected to my radio, and I didn't know that had power at all times. So I used that. And that's pretty sweet, guys. I'm really happy. I like it. I like it a lot. Gonna wait till nighttime to really show that. And that'll be it for this video. But yeah, I'm gonna finish putting my radio together. Alright, y'all. Figured I'd get a night shot in here. Just hit it. Oh, well, let me show you first. This switch on the... Here, I'll use white. Sorry, my floors are a little dirty, but got the night shot now. This is how they look at night. Just a little bit of it shines on the roof. Can't see it on the camera, but shoot, I like it. Just the right amount of color I wanted. Yeah, it glows up to right here by my knee. It's not blinding me. You can see a small glare right here by the mirrors, but not enough to distract you. But yeah, there they be. They're real bright down here, obviously. But passengers, I'm liking it, y'all. For $24, it's perfect. Here's the color wheel. Here's how the colors look by themselves. That's white, red, green, blue, yellow, turquoise, purple, and what? That one's supposed to be like a blue greenish white. White looks decent in person. It looks a lot whiter than on camera. On camera it looks kind of purplish blue, but it's white. But I've been leaving it on this. Sweet. No. I also got these other lights, but I think I'm gonna go home before I show them off. And it's by Alpina, the RGB 194s. They're compatible with these if you got these in there. So these got a remote too. I had a pair before. They're $7 at Walmart, but they burnt out on me. So I'm gonna I got another pair, so I throw them in my side doors again. So that's what I'm gonna do once I get home, and then I'll show y'all, and we'll wrap this video up. I think it's funny how these look like bluish purple on camera, but they're really white in person. I need to get an LED for that guy next. I'll have a video on that. But I felt like I should include how to pop this guy free even if it's dark out. You can see right here on the bottom you get a small little flathead. You put it in and pop it back. That's how you get this guy out. And after you pull that out, we can throw our 194 in there. Okay, if you put it in and it don't work, flip it around. And you seen that, it flashed when I put it in. I wanted to test my my old remote. Keep it in my sunglasses box. Oh, my old remote works for it. Dang. Okay, there we go. I was like, that's flashing way too fast for me. I can't even see. Bow. There you go, y'all. See how white looks. Sweet. White's looking good, y'all. Now, I'm gonna flash the colors together. Hey. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll show it. And I said earlier that these guys burnt out on me. So like I'm kind of thinking, is it because they turned on and off so much that they burnt out? Because look, I'm pulling it out now. Can't even see till I bring it to the light. Here's the old one. I should check it out, honestly. See if it works. Plugged into something else. But you see that flashed again. Now I'm gonna try to turn both this one on. Oop, I did. Sweet. Look at that. It shines real bright when the lens off. And just to let y'all know, your trunk light on these Accords is a 194, at least for 98 through 2002. Let's see if the lights will change at the same time. They're slowly behind each other on the color. I love it, guys. I don't mind it at all. And I like when they're white. That's real cool. Sweet. So if you guys have walked through Walmart and you've seen these Alpina multi-glows as well as the EZ lights, I recommend them. They're well worth it. The only reason I wouldn't put these in my trunk is because the white mode on them isn't very bright. So I just got some white LEDs for my trunk. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. Let's get this channel bigger so we can do more builds and do more customizations. Till then, peace out.